In a world where the lines between defense and offense blur amidst the cacophony of war, the decision by a Dutch court has sent ripples through the international community, challenging the norms of military exports and sparking a debate on the ethics of warfare. This narrative unfolds against the backdrop of the ongoing conflict in Gaza, where the civilian toll has climbed alarmingly, prompting a re-evaluation of the role that international arms trade plays in the perpetuation of violence. At the heart of this saga is the F-35 fighter jet, a marvel of modern military technology. Crafted by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of power, precision, and the complex interplay between national security and global responsibility. With its stealth capabilities and advanced software, the F-35 stands as one of the most expensive weapons programs in history, embodying the cutting edge of aerial combat technology. The Netherlands, known for its picturesque landscapes and commitment to international law, finds itself entangled in this narrative due to its role as a hub for the distribution of F-35 parts. A warehouse within its borders, housing components destined for the skies over conflict zones, has become the unlikely focal point of a legal battle with far-reaching implications. Human rights organizations, alarmed by the devastation in Gaza and questioning the compliance of Israeli actions with international humanitarian law, have turned to the Dutch judiciary to stem the flow of these components to Israel. The court's decision, a watershed moment in the discourse on arms exports and human rights, underscores a deep concern for the potential misuse of these advanced weapons in operations that may contravene the principles of international humanitarian law. The ruling, although immediate in its demand for the cessation of F-35 parts exports to Israel, opens a broader conversation on the accountability of nations in the global arms trade network. Israel's reliance on its air force is well documented, with the F-35s being the newest additions to its arsenal. However, the backbone of its aerial might remains the F-15s and F-16s, jets that have long been the mainstay of its military operations. The role of the F-35 in the conflict in Gaza is nuanced, with its full impact and utilization remaining a subject of speculation and analysis. The reaction to the court's ruling has been varied. The Dutch government's decision to appeal reflects the complex interplay of international relations, national interests, and legal frameworks. Meanwhile, Israel's silence speaks to the delicate balance of diplomacy and defense as nations navigate the murky waters of international law and military engagement. This episode is but a chapter in the ongoing saga of global conflicts, where the tools of war are as much a subject of scrutiny as the strategies employed. The F-35, with its technological prowess and hefty price tag, symbolizes the modern age of warfare, where battles are fought not only on the ground, but in the courtrooms and corridors of power across the world. As the international community grapples with these issues, the call for a reassessment of the arms trade and its implications for peace and security grows louder, echoing through the halls of justice and the annals of history.